Welcome back, travelers, and hello to all the new faces. Whether you're a seasoned Vegas veteran or planning your first adventure to the entertainment capital of the world, we've got something special for you today. Get ready to discover the top 22 attractions you absolutely can't miss in Las Vegas, from the glitzy strip to jaw-dropping natural wonders. Let's dive in. Number 22, Wynn Las Vegas. Kicking off our list at number 22 is the epitome of luxury, Wynn Las Vegas. Known for its sophisticated design and world-class amenities, Wynn offers everything from lush gardens to high-end shopping and exquisite dining. It's the perfect place to experience the opulence of Vegas. Number 21, MGM Grand Garden Arena. At number 21, we have the MGM Grand Garden Arena, a hotspot for major concerts, championship fights, and other spectacular events. With a seating capacity of over 17,000, this venue hosts some of the biggest names in entertainment and sports. Check the schedule and catch a show while you're in town. Number 20, Little Church of the West Wedding Chapel. Coming in at number 20 is a place where love is always in the air, the Little Church of the West. This historic wedding chapel has been hosting nuptials since 1942 and is the oldest building on the Strip. If you're thinking of tying the knot, there's no more iconic spot in Vegas to say, I do. Number 19, Las Vegas Premium Outlets. Number 19 is a shopper's paradise. Las Vegas Premium Outlets. With locations both north and south of the Strip, these outlets offer a wide array of brand name stores at discounted prices. Whether you're looking for high fashion or everyday deals, you'll find it here. Number 18, Chapel of the Flowers. At number 18, we have the charming Chapel of the Flowers. Known for its beautiful setting and exceptional service, this chapel offers a range of wedding packages to make your big day memorable. Whether you want an intimate ceremony or a grand affair, it's the perfect place to start your happily ever after in Vegas. Number 17, Casino at the Venetian. Step into a world of luxury at number 17, the Venetian. This stunning resort recreates the charm of Venice, complete with indoor canals and serenaded gondola rides. The casino is one of the most opulent on the Strip, offering a range of games in a lavish setting. Whether you're testing your luck or simply soaking in the ambiance, the Venetian is a feast for the senses. Number 16, the Link Promenade. Number 16 is a lively mix of shopping, dining, and entertainment. The Link Promenade. This vibrant open-air district is packed with attractions. Stroll along the promenade, catch a ride on the high roller, or enjoy some delicious bites at one of the many restaurants. It's the perfect spot for both day and night outings. Number 15, Pinball Hall of Fame. Stepping back to number 15, we have the Pinball Hall of Fame. This quirky museum boasts over 200 pinball machines, from vintage classics to modern marvels. Whether you're a pinball wizard or a casual player, it's a fun and interactive way to relive the golden age of arcade gaming. Number 14, Downtown Container Park Playground. At number 14, discover a unique twist on entertainment at Downtown Container Park. This open-air shopping and entertainment venue is built entirely from shipping containers. Explore boutique shops, dine at eclectic eateries, and enjoy live music. Kids will love the treehouse playground, while adults can relax with a drink and take in the vibrant scene. Number 13, the Mirage Volcano. Feel the heat at number 13, the Mirage Volcano. This fiery show erupts nightly with spectacular pyrotechnics and a pulsating soundtrack. Created by the same team behind the Bellagio Fountains, it simulates a volcanic eruption right on the Strip. It's a sizzling spectacle that you don't want to miss. Number 12, Las Vegas Motor Speedway. Zooming into number 12 is the Las Vegas Motor Speedway. This is the place for high-octane action with NASCAR, drag racing, and a variety of motorsports. Whether you're a hardcore racing fan or just looking for a thrilling day out, the Speedway delivers with roaring engines and adrenaline-pumping excitement. Number 11, Paris, Las Vegas. Bringing a slice of France to Vegas, number 11 is Paris, Las Vegas. This charming resort features a half-scale replica of the Eiffel Tower and transports you to the romantic streets of Paris. Enjoy exquisite dining, vibrant nightlife, and of course, those iconic views from the tower's observation deck. Number 10, Titanic, the Artifact Exhibition. Set sail on a journey back in time at number 10. Titanic, the Artifact Exhibition. Located at the Luxor Hotel, this immersive exhibit features over 250 artifacts recovered from the Titanic's wreckage. Wander through recreations of the ship's interiors, including the Grand Staircase, and hear the poignant stories of its passengers. It's a moving tribute to one of history's most famous ships. Number 9, the Mob Museum. Delve into the darker side of Vegas at number 9, the Mob Museum. Located in a historic courthouse, this museum takes you through the gripping history of organized crime and law enforcement. From interactive exhibits to real-life artifacts, you'll uncover the secret stories that shaped Vegas's colorful past. It's a fascinating and educational dive into the city's notorious history. Number 8, Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area. Need a break from the hustle and bustle? Head to number 8, Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area. Just a short drive from the Strip. This serene desert landscape is a haven for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Hike through rugged canyons, admire the vibrant red sandstone formations, or take a scenic drive for unparalleled views. It's a tranquil escape into nature's beauty. Number 7, Eiffel Tower Viewing Deck at Paris, Las Vegas. Say bonjour to number 7, the Eiffel Tower Viewing Deck at Paris, Las Vegas. This half-scale replica offers breathtaking views from 460 feet up. Whether you're capturing the shimmering lights of the Strip or enjoying a romantic dinner at the Eiffel Tower restaurant, it's a little piece of France with a lot of Vegas flair. Number 6, High Roller. Take your sightseeing to new heights with number 6, the High Roller. The world's tallest observation wheel stands at 550 feet and offers a 30-minute ride with stunning 360-degree views of the Strip and beyond. For an extra special experience, hop into the Happy Half-Hour Cabin, which includes an open bar. It's sightseeing with a twist, literally. Number 5, Stratosphere Tower. For those seeking high-altitude thrills, the Stratosphere Tower is a must. Standing at 1,149 feet, it's the tallest observation tower in the U.S. Get your heart racing on one of the extreme rides like Sky Jump, Big Shot, or Insanity, or simply enjoy the panoramic views from the observation deck. It's a perspective on Vegas you won't find anywhere else. Number 4, Hoover Dam. Take a short drive to the iconic Hoover Dam, a testament to human engineering and perseverance. Completed in 1936, this colossal structure stands as one of the most impressive feats of the 20th century. Walk across its top or take a guided tour to learn about its crucial role in the development of the American Southwest. The views of Lake Mead and the Colorado River are simply breathtaking. Number 3, Las Vegas Strip. Of course, no visit to Vegas is complete without exploring the legendary Las Vegas Strip. Stretching over 4 miles, the Strip is lined with world-famous casinos, luxury hotels, and an endless array of attractions. Whether you're marveling at the architectural wonders or enjoying the street performers, every step offers a new slice of Vegas magic. Number 2, Fremont Street Experience. Next, venture off the Strip to the Fremont Street Experience, where old-school Vegas meets modern-day spectacle. This pedestrian-only street is covered by the world's largest LED canopy, putting on dazzling light shows that rock the entire downtown. And for the adrenaline junkies, try the Slotzilla zip line for a high-flying adventure through the heart of the action. Number 1, Fountains of Bellagio. Finally, the Fountains of Bellagio, an absolute Vegas classic. These stunning water jets leap and dance to the rhythm of music and light, creating a magical spectacle that's free for everyone to enjoy. With over 1,200 nozzles choreographed to a variety of tunes, each show is a unique experience. They perform every 15 to 30 minutes, making it easy to catch this iconic attraction no matter what time of day. And there you have it, 22 must-see attractions in Las Vegas. Whether you're chasing thrills, soaking up the sights, or diving into history, Vegas has it all. Thanks for tagging along on this tour. We hope you found some inspiration for your next adventure in Sin City. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel guides. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a new upload. Tell us in the comments which attraction you're most excited to visit or share your favorite Vegas memory. See you next time and happy exploring.